Hello class and welcome back to Intro to Film. As you know, in the last few weeks we've spent talking about various aspects of film production. This week we want to go into continuity errors. There are three main types of continuity errors. There are editing errors, visual errors, and plot errors. And we'll go into each of these in a little more detail in just a second. First type of error we're going to talk about is an editing error. An editing error occurs when the characters refer to something that hasn't happened yet or that the audience shouldn't know. Or in the case of a movie like Mallrats, they reference a plot line that is no longer being used in the final cut of the movie. The second and most common type of continuity error is a visual error. If the prop were to move one hand to the other in between shots, or maybe the clothing would be changed because it was a different day of shooting and they just simply forgot. Often the shadows will be longer or shorter because it takes a long time between shots to set up. This error is the most easily corrected by having a good script supervisor. The third and final type of continuity error we're going to talk about is a plot error. Instances in a long-running TV series, a character may early on refer to the fact that they have no siblings. And then later on they want to introduce a brother or sister and they simply state that I disowned that sibling, as opposed to not actually ever having a sibling. These errors are often jarring to the viewer and it can hinder their suspension of disbelief. The easiest way to avoid these errors is to hire a competent script supervisor that can catch them early or even before they happen.